Everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jame.
Morning.
This is my jam. And if you guys have watched my channel for a while or watched other people's channels, you're probably going to know what this is. This is an unboxing from Fashion File. And I may be eating like the cat that swallowed the canary or grinning like that because one of my gifts for me for hitting 3,000 came, and I checked it out just to make sure it's okay, and I'm really excited about it. And then I got to open this, and I can't show that one until I hit 3,000, but it's a bag. This bag, so I'm really excited about this bag, and this bag speaks to, and hopefully I like it, what I've said about you don't know what you don't know. And originally when I started, I guess I should start opening this. When I started watching videos on bags, I told the story before, I watched, somehow, I don't know how, Minx for All, Minnie from Minx for All came up in my YouTube feed, and I watched her video. And I kind of was thinking to myself, what a waste of money she was doing with some of her bags, because my Coach bags were just that nice. But I really liked her personality, and so I kind of kept watching. And then she would explain more about the brands and stuff like that, and the meaning behind them, and all of a sudden I started looking at everything in a whole new light. But one of the things I didn't know is that you can really get some affordable, being a relative word, bags. And when I'm talking about affordable, I mean like in the Coach price range and things like that. Now I know Coaches went up in price, but still, I'm just always shocked what I find out there here and there at what I consider a reasonable price for what you're getting. And this came up, and I'm not going to lie, Minnie Minx for All, kind of watching her kind of got me into even thinking of this as a possibility. There's my file. And, but when I saw the color and the price, and I can tell you from personal experience now, buying older bags.
We call it vintage.
Yeah. They are, the quality is always phenomenal. Like, even better than current day bags. And we've all heard complaints about the quality of bags. I was gonna say, this almost felt like it was in a box, but it's not. So here we go. And I like doing unboxings. You saw that I just opened up the package. Came packaged like this. Should have just probably slid that off there. All right, and so here we have it, and this, oh, I can already tell what it is just by touching and hearing. But this was something that I just didn't know if I would ever get, but I really, really liked the style. It's really in right now, and the color, and after having watched Minnie a few times, I decided to not be afraid. And I got this patent leather Louis Vuitton bag. Look at that color. This is it coming up true to color? It's like a dark green.
Yeah, it's almost like an emerald. Yeah.
Yeah, it's, I forgot,
dark emerald green.
I forgot the name of the bag, but this is kind of like a more, here, let's see, Wilshire PM. The color's called Blue Nut. But to me, it's like a green. Although the stitching is definitely blue. Can you see the stitching?
Yeah, definitely makes it look like a contrast stitching.
Yeah. So I've been paranoid about getting patent leather. Patent leather used to be my favorite. Probably because my first bags, like when I was a little girl, looked like patent leather. And so I always liked it. Plus I like the noise it makes. But then I'd heard horror stories about the bags getting sticky and getting marks and yellowing and things like that. And I thought, well, number one, yellowing's not going to be a problem with this one. I just can't get over how nice this is. Holy cat. So, well, and when Minx for All got a Alma, a big Alma and some red, and then she got some other stuff, and it all was so nice. I'm like, you know what? I'm in this color. I'm in. So let's give you a spin, I guess, here. So no smells. So here's the front of the bag, the side, the other side, or the back, the other side. Bottom, there are no feet, but look at that. There's like not a mark on this. I swear whoever had this did not use it. It's got, I love the Louis Vuitton up there in gold, and then it's got this clasp to keep it closed. Now let's see if I can get it unclasped. There we go. Stuffed to the gills with bubble wrap here.
Why is it? Is it a fish?
No, and then nope, no smell. You open it up and it's got a nice dark interior.
Dark cavernous hole.
And then here's one zipper right here. And the zipper, it's still got its...
Got the plastic on it?
Yes. What the heck? I don't know if they had it repaired or what. But look at the little zipper.
We're trying.
I don't know how to get you here. Let me zip it back up again. Can you see that? The little lock?
Mm-hmm. LV.
I don't know if whoever did this got this, never used it, or had it repaired, or... This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Look at this.
Would you look at it?
I was scared. I was scared. I put it on layaway, and I just finally paid it off. I think it was $600, and I was a little afraid, like I said, because of the patent leather. But this is like a brand new bag. This is like a brand new bag, and the only reason I can see him calling it Blue Nut is from the blue, and the blue stitching's only here and here. It's not on the handles all the way up. And it's on the back like that too. Oh no, maybe that is blue. No, I don't think so. I don't know. Maybe it is. It's now every time I look at it, depends on the light. It is blue. It depends on the light you're in, I guess. But isn't that cute? Like, East-West is all the rage lately, and to me, I'm just like, this is like my version of a bag. I don't know if I have my tape measure. No, you don't need to drink your drink. He's all excited because he found out he likes a drink at Starbucks. What's it called? The Strato...
Frappuccino?
Caramel...
Salted caramel mocha Strato Frappuccino.
Yes, and he's never really liked many drinks from Starbucks before, so now he's all into this. Are you going to show it?
But this is the bomb.
So now I surprised him with one. I brought it home, and he was super excited to get it. So he was, when I said, oh, is my tape measure over there? He's like reaching for the drink, like I want him to show the drink. Okay, it's not there, so I'm trying to think of what this is and to give you an idea of the sizing. Well, let's see, here's, like, I know this one is 25 inches. So I would say it's maybe 27 inches as he's drinking from his drink. Just to kind of give you an idea. So this is basically 25, I believe it's 25 centimeters, not inches.
That's a 2-footer bag.
Right. So it's probably pretty similar in size.
Yeah, it looks a little longer.
So like this one, right.
Maybe a little narrower.
I do have one other patent leather bag, and that's this one. In this one, there's no real mark. Well, there's a couple marks on it.
Don't you have the other one with Jerry?
Yeah, but Jerry's painted.
Oh.
So, and this one's, I think it's beautiful, but I am super excited. I was nervous ever since I put it on layaway. This is just gorgeous. Oh, this color is just...
Yeah, person either didn't use it Or just took really good care of it.
It is beautiful. Yeah, that stitching is blue. My gosh, it just depends on what light you're in.
Or if your eyes are open or not.
Hush up.
Because it's pretty blue to us.
Oh, be quiet. So, that's it. This is my bag. Nothing's sticky. I swear the person did not use this. This is gorgeous. This is
just such a random name.
Gorgeous.
What should we call this? This is the Blue Nut.
That's the color. It's not the name of the bag.
Oh, okay.
The bag was the Wilshire.
The Wilshire Blue Nut.
Wilshire in Blue Nut.
Oh, in Blue Nut.
There is something that would go perfectly with this that I may use at some point. That's a story for another day. This is my box, so don't be afraid to I used to be afraid to look at Fashion File. I thought, oh gosh, they're gonna know I'm looking at it and looking on here and I can't afford the stuff. They're gonna know it. And then little by little, obviously I decided to start purchasing things.
Little.
This is beautiful. This is I'm looking in the mirror. It's just it's
look at you looking at your bag.
It's
nice.
striking. It really is. So yeah, I just can't say enough good things about this. I am really, really excited. So don't be afraid to look at pre-loved items. And there are some absolute gems out there. That's what I can say about this. I absolutely love it. So that's my unboxing for you today. I have a lot of fun stuff coming up. I have another, like a reveal and a small unboxing coming up. Maybe that'll be on probably on Wednesday. And then when I hit Positive Attitude 3,000 subscribers, I have something to show you then too. But just lots of fun stuff coming up. So if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. I do put out luxury and contemporary related handbag items or videos. And sometimes there's other stuff thrown in, perfume, shoes, jewelry, ready to wear, things like that. I do those videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Every Monday, I do a bag swap video where I swap from one bag into a new bag and give you a little bit of information about both. And I switch out my small leather goods as well and show those and talk about them. Every other Thursday, I do a book-related video. I'm over on Instagram at James Jam. It's just JAME_S_Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching.